Oh my god. June bugs. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh no. I'm worried. Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
That's pretty, huh?
Yeah, not really that scary.
Let's see what else we got.
Okay, I'm taking a video right now.
Is that a spark one?
One is being made. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm getting scared. Jeez! This is scary! Okay, we have a big one. Be careful, Dad. Wait, no, don't save the biggest one for last.
There's lots of big ones.
No, save the biggest one for last. Okay, no. Jeez. Next firework. I'm gonna be cautious. Wow, that's cool. That's probably the most relaxing one. Hurry up! I don't want you to die brutally. Oh my god! That's probably the biggest not scary one out of all of them. The biggest not scary. Let's look at it through here. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, right.
I'm scared now. Is that the biggest?
Look.
Please. Jeez, that's a big fountain. Please don't jump scare me like last time. That last one was calm, but that just ruined it. Jeez. Let's hope this one's calmer. Oh no, it's the same thing. Oh no, it's yep, it's the same thing. Oh my god, this is crazy. Well, I'm watching from out here.
Come up here. Go, Mom, go.
Good luck.
Don't blow yourself up.
Okay, be prepared for what's about to happen.
All right, Kurt, here it goes.
Yep, it's sparkling over there. Yep, it's about... Okay, that one I was actually a little more prepared for. Let me get closer. Cool, right?
There it goes.
Okay, it's about a jump scare, I bet. So I'm just gonna
Ooh,
go
I
ahead.
like the fountain when it does the fountain thing.
I'm just gonna look from over here. Because it might jump scare. This is 4th of July, everyone. Yep. Oh my god. Oh, jeez! Stop! This is... Oh my god! Okay, I got it. Let me just...
America!
Yep, America.
All right, this is the last one. Ready?
Begin.
Grandest finale of all time ever known.
I'm very...
The 4th of July.
Stop. I'm very scared.
Let's see what happens.
Can you close it slightly a bit? Okay, thank you. Beginning. The beginning of the end. The beginning of it. The beginning of the end of the world. Jeez! Oh my god! Let's look from outside the window. Okay. It's a nice sparkling fountain. I'm gonna look from out here. Oh, it's safe because it's gonna give me a big jump scare. 4th of July, everyone. Jeez. It's the scare. Oh, boy. I can't wait for you to see. Oh my god, that's big. I'm just gonna look from... Well, I guess I can take a sneak peek. Okay.
Yay.
Okay, that was 4th of July.
I got 5 of them going because I'm crazy.
Yep. Be careful, Mom. Don't die.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I can't even get to the light.
Hurry up! I don't want you to die.
I don't want light.
Why are you doing this? Do you want to do suicide?
You want to do suicide?
I can't even get them to light.
Please don't do this. I'm really scared for you, Mom.
Well, don't do suicide.
They won't even light. They're a dud. This is a dud.
Okay.
Yeah. These are a dud.
Okay. Just be careful.
There we go.
Oh,
Run.
okay.
Da, 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 da.
We did it. 1. Everything's okay, right, Dad? Hey, stop! Hey, okay. Everything's alright, okay? Thumbs
Everything's
up.
okay.
Yep, this is nice. This is relaxing. Oh! Oh my god! Mom almost died.
Mom almost died for sure.
Jeez, this is crazy. The burning inferno.
Ow, I did burn myself though.
Jeez! The burning inferno! It's burning! Oh boy, I can't wait for New Year's Eve when there's gonna be even more of this and it's gonna be even crazier. Oh boy, I can't wait for that. 4th of July already seems very crazy. Jeez. Okay, now the last one. There's smoke everywhere. Ooh, nice. It looks like some sort of lightsaber thingy. Hey, Dad! Okay, that was 4th of July celebration. Goodbye.